Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to enable or disable swipe for pop-up view in Samsung phones. In Samsung phones, you will see one option swipe for pop-up view. In this video, you will understand that what it is and how to use it. First of all, go to the settings of our phone here, then go to advanced features and here select multi-window and here turn on the button against swipe for pop-up view to enable this feature. So what it means, click over it and here see that read swipe from the top corner towards the middle of the screen to change to pop-up view. So to change to pop-up view, that is floating window, you have to swipe towards like this. Okay, swipe from the this corner and make it like this. Okay, so in this way you can enable swipe for pop-up view. Okay, if you want to disable it, what you have to do is just turn off this button and it will be disabled. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.